am our Monte, unit number 44. We're up in the High Meadow neighborhood. So we're going to take you through. There's some amazing updates. The owner of this property is an architect and has done some really fun, unique things throughout the place. There's great skylights. It's got one of the biggest decks that the entire complex offers. It overlooks the tennis courts. There's a swimming pool and just so much more. You're so close to downtown Carmel. You're within the Carmel School District, so about half a mile to Carmel High School. So come on in, let's show you around. Got a great little front patio here with slider doors that open up into a little kitchen eat-in area. Thanks to Ben Beesley for being our cameraman.
That's
today.
me. How you doing? We may have to start over. I hit a button, now I see me. We gotta start over.
Sorry, technical
Don't start over?
difficulties.
Okay, we're gonna keep going.
Come on in.
Roll on, roll on.
So this condo is just under 1,100 square feet. It's got 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms. So in here you can see the kitchen has actually been expanded out to the patio. You've got a slider here. You've got a washer dryer, stackable full size. Very convenient. And just overall a really great sized kitchen. You could do a bigger kitchen island in here. Tons of cabinet space. You have a huge pantry. And then another coat closet here as well. And then into the formal dining room, which overlooks the living room. All of this paneling has been put in. Initially, these units all had electric baseboard heaters and the water heater in a closet up here. This owner actually relocated everything under the deck. So you have a very cool wine cellar / storage closet up here that's very hidden and camouflaged. He's updated the fireplace, so you have a beautiful gas burning, warm fireplace. Added the skylights. And so you get fantastic light throughout the entire day in this unit. And don't forget, we are live on Facebook, so you can ask us questions in real time. We'll get back to you. We can also set up private showings for you to come in also. So let's go downstairs, check out the living room. There is a little half bath that you just walked by right here. And then down into your sun-drenched living room. And again, don't forget, we're in the Carmel School District. We're about a half a mile to the high school and just about a mile, mile and a half to downtown Carmel. We're on the opposite side of Highway 1 up on the north side of Carpenter in the High Meadow neighborhood. Ben, go show him this deck.
Oh my God, this is one of the best parts of the entire condo.
So you look out to the tennis courts. And then on the other side, you can have a peek down and see the swimming pool. The HOA here is about $450 a month. It covers all of the common area maintenance, the pool, the tennis court, covers some exterior as well as your roof. Let's go inside and we'll see the bedrooms upstairs. I love this flooring that's been put in. It's kind of a sisal grass carpet.
I love this feature of being able to look down on your living room area and your outdoor decking.
So the 2 bedrooms up here share the bathroom. It's a Jack and Jill style. You can go into this one first. Again, the similar feature is downstairs with the great paneling and some really cool, again, hidden closets. So you don't have those ugly mirrored sliding glass doors. So there's one set here and then another over on this side. All recessed lighting, everything is on dimmers. And then plantation shutters throughout the entire condo as well.
Awesome, great natural light for these rooms.
So then this goes into the full bathroom up here. It's got an oversized shower. Got a great little storage closet in here. And then back here you've kind of got what we call the master closet. You've actually got 3 different sets of closets. So there's hanging space, kind of could be a his and hers, and then another one as well. And then lastly into this bedroom, which I also love, the whitewashed paneling on this wall, plantation shutters. Just has a very peaceful, calm feeling throughout it. Should we head back downstairs?
Yes.
And don't forget, we're live. You can ask us questions.
There's people watching us, I can tell. I know who you are.
Again, a great little front patio. You could have a great table and chairs out here. Got the ficus growing up the side here. Feels very European. And then each unit comes with a carport. Yours is just right here down at the end. There's 2 storage spaces also in that carport. And then there's all this parking out front as well. So again, thanks for joining us. We are at 24501 Via Monte, number 44 in Carmel. And the best part, we just did a price reduction. So the new list price on this condo is $695,000. If you guys want to do a private showing, let us know. We can set it up. If you guys want to have no more questions, have anything you want to ask us, please feel free to reach out. You can reach out on Team Beesley's Facebook page or Instagram, text message, email, whatever the best way for you to get a hold of us. We'll get back to you guys. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you again soon.
Bye-bye. Have a great weekend.